Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the Alcosign IPO, and this is the All You Need to Know IPO series. Do like, comment and subscribe. Alcosign Limited is into the making of the following products such as writing and display boards, chalks, stands and accessories, innovative up-down, vertical and horizontal sliding writing boards, glass writing boards and stands, school benches and desks, keyboard, first aid box and letterboxes. Alcosign Limited supplies around 22 states and is also moving ahead towards establishing its presence in the international market. The company has around 50 registered dealers. For e-retailing, the company has developed their own website and have tie-ups with e-commerce platforms in India and for the international market. It has the biggest dedicated manufacturing unit with a production space of more than 5 lakh square feet for writing boards and display boards in India. The competitive strengths of the company are as follows. It has widespread sales and dealers network. It has quality certifications for manufacturing and supply of products. It has recognized products, and it has e-retailing and online distribution network, and also it has a customer-centric business model. The objects of the issue as to why the IPO is being listed are as follows. The primary reasons are for the prepayment or the repayment of certain secured borrowings availed by the company, for funding the working capital requirements and for general corporate purposes. The company financials are as follows. If you take a look at the company financials, there's an increase in the total assets and the total revenue from 30th November 2021 to 31st March 2021, and the profit after tax has also increased from -6.36 to 6.62. The IPO details are here under. The IPO opens on January 18th and closes on January 21st, 2022. It is a fixed price issue IPO with a face value of rupees 10 per equity share and an IPO price of rupees 45 per equity share. The market lot and the minimum order quantity are 3,000 shares. It is going to get listed at the BSE and the SME with a issue size and fresh issue of 27 lakh equity shares of rupees 10, aggregating up to 12.15 crore. The timetable is here under. The IPO opens on January 18th, 2022 and closes on January 21st, 2022. The basis of allotment date takes place on January 27th, and the initiation of refunds in case you don't get the allotment takes place on January 28th, 2022. The credit of shares to Demat account takes place on January 28th, 2022, and the IPO finally gets listed on February 1st, 2022. The Alcosign IPO market lot size is 3,000 shares. A retail individual investor can apply for up to 1 lot, that is 3,000 shares, or of rupees 1,35,000. So that will be all from my side for this video. I hope the video was helpful and informative for you all. Please stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye. See you.